All right, so this is the setup. We're in the burn tower, right? So there's Josh over there. We've been installing anchors for this fire department. So we gotta use these like 70-pound, 90-degree, half-inch thick steel plates. We gotta drill some 3/8 holes in them because we gotta capture 3 joists. So that's like an example of what we just did right there. Some fall protection because we're doing 2 of them over stairwell, and we came up with a pretty decent way to get the steel up there and without reaching over our heads by tying the steel off to a rope and going up over the C channel and then counterbalancing it up, so then we can clamp it and then drill it. And then this is the crux. This is the last of the 2 we're going to install, so I busted out my black diamond portal edge. Right, so we got to do some anchors right out here. There's the old ones that didn't pass cert. So we're going to do that all off this portal edge, but we came up with a pretty decent system.